Hello guys! In today's video we're going to take a look at the Logitech G903 wireless gaming mouse. This is definitely one of my favourite mice out there and I thought it deserved a dedicated video review. If you want to see its most up-to-date price and find out more information about it, you can check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology news. Okay, let's get started with the video. Logitech is a very popular brand amongst gamers because they've been in the market for more than a decade and they always provide us with the best products available in their line. We all know how annoying cables can be on a gaming mouse, but we also know that if we decide to ditch the wire, we'll have to deal with the input lag and latency. Today, I'm here to present you with a mouse which gets rid of the cable without sacrificing any input lag or latency. Logitech managed to create the best wireless mouse there is for gaming. With stunning capabilities and an instantaneous response time, this mouse deserves to be called the best wireless gaming mouse in 2019. It has a lot of things we can talk about, so let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. The G903 is an ambidextrous mouse. This means you can use the mouse even if you're left-handed. This is something rare on gaming mice nowadays, so a big like goes to Logitech for doing that. Ambidextrous mice usually are not comfortable, since they have to design them to fit left and right-handed users. However, Logitech managed to pull off a design which was able to provide great comfort for both. The G903 comes with up to 11 keys depending on how you set it up. They did that to let gamers set up the mouse for either their left or right hand. You can even make it have 4 side buttons if you love having a lot of buttons on your mouse, but I think this is a little bit overkill. There are basic buttons to adjust the G903's DPI and switch between a smooth or step action on its wheel, plus the usual left and right controls. What I found to be very useful about this mouse is that it lets you adjust the mouse's wheel action. You can use the resistance-free mode to scroll through web pages faster, and you can switch back when you're gaming or doing something else which doesn't require scrolling. Now let's move into the most important part, the wireless performance. If you're using the G903 as a normal wireless mouse, you'll use the same USB dongle that Logitech has used on its other wireless devices for a few years now. If on the other hand you're using the G903 with PowerPlay, the mouse pad itself acts as your wireless receiver. The performance is great in both cases, and I can confidently say that you can easily compare this mouse to a wired mouse and won't notice any difference in polling rate, latency or response time. It's pretty much indistinguishable from any wired mouse I've ever used before. The mouse itself uses the PMW3366 sensor, which is one of the most accurate and precise sensors out there, with a minimum sensitivity of 200 dpi and a maximum sensitivity of 12,000 dpi. One of the most annoying things about wireless mice is that you have to charge them very often. You won't have that problem with the Logitech G903 because Logitech claims that the battery life can last for up to 30 hours depending on how you use it. According to our tests, this was somewhat accurate and we think that it was more than enough since we put it to charge when we go to sleep anyway. But there's something better I want to talk about. The Logitech G903's newest feature is that it comes with the ability to wirelessly charge through a specialized mousepad called the Logitech PowerPlay. The pad essentially creates an electromagnetic resonance charging field which the mouse absorbs through a power core module that you can attach to the bottom of the mouse. This means that the mouse itself can pull enough electricity that the mouse can keep on going without you having to charge it. Not only that, but it can even fully charge the mouse with battery in about 14 hours. This is great news for us gamers since we don't have to leave our chair anymore. I definitely love this mouse because it is very ergonomic and has a great build quality, which means that it's extremely durable. If you play games competitively and get angry at the players often, this mouse won't break easily if you reflexively decide to smash it. However, please don't try to do that. Overall, I would say that if you need an upgrade to your old gaming mouse, then don't look any further. Go with the Logitech G903 because it has a ton of amazing features which you won't find in any other mice. I agree it's a bit expensive, but I'd still recommend it to everyone that would ask me for a wireless gaming mouse recommendation. With that being said, I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the Logitech G903, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.